A 17-in-1 or 10-in-1 raised garden bed essentially mean that one raised garden bed can be configured into 17 or 10 different layouts based on your preference. For instance, this is GIM configuration 1 and this is configuration 2. Both of those layouts are configuration options for our 17-in-1 raised garden bed. They are also two of our most popular sizes for our all-in-one raised garden bed kits that come with our Garden Grid watering system. For instance, configuration 1 here is used for our 4x8 all-in-one raised garden bed kit because it comes with our 4x8 Garden Grid watering system and our Garden Grid manifold, which allows you to adjust the water flow from a drip to a full stream. And lastly, for larger raised garden bed configurations like you see here, we do use support rods. You just simply connect them when the instructions call for it, and they'll keep your Garden Minutes raised garden bed nice and square, even under the weight of soil. That way you have a beautiful garden for years to come.